couple months ago, I was at RadioShack during one of their store closings, and I picked up this remote control car for my son for about $10. It's a great looking car, and it ran well for about 10 minutes before the electronics gave out. I checked the wiring, thinking something got knocked loose, but something else was going on, and I just couldn't figure it out, so it sat on my bench for a while. Well, one day the transmission on my Bluetooth-controlled Tamiya tank went out. Since I had to take the tank apart, I decided to transfer the electronics to the Pontiac to see if I could get that RC car to work. So now the motors and steering on the Pontiac are controlled by an Arduino Uno and an Adafruit motor shield. And I've got a Bluefruit breakout board also sold by Adafruit, used to send commands to the electronics wirelessly from a control panel on my iPad. This works great, but I eventually want to experiment with using the internal gyroscope in the iPad to control the car based on the direction it's being tilted. For now, the control panel works okay and my son can play with the car. The really nice thing about having an Arduino running the logic for this car is you can set up different speeds for the motor using pulse width modulation, whereas the electronics that originally came with the RC kit only had two speeds, full throttle and off. If you're interested in Arduino, I've put together a suite of presentations that walk you through the basics of this platform. I'll include a link to the channel at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.